Energy Observer is the first hydrogen vessel autonomous in energy that doesn't emit greenhouse gases or fine particles. This electrically propelled boat of the future works thanks to a mix of renewable energies and a system of hydrogen production by seawater electrolysis, fully decarbonised, decentralised and digitalised. First French ambassador for the Sustainable Development Goals, Energy Observer has undertaken an incredible odyssey for the future, a 6-year world tour with 101 stopovers across 50 countries to meet the pioneers reinventing economy, mobility, agriculture and housing, building a more supportive world and finding solutions to protect biodiversity. More than a boat, Energy Observer is a true media for the planet, a documentary series and soon 100% positive digital media. Energy Observer Solutions, which will promote the 17 Sustainable Development Goals to the general public. Since its departure from St. Malo in June 2017, our floating lab did 36 stopovers, visited 16 countries and travelled more than 10,000 nautical miles. We can now announce our energy records. Thanks to 3 different technologies of solar panels, including bifacial and heterojunctions, our solar power reaches 28 kilowatts and is upgraded every year with new casings and technologies. It is light, reliable, strong and efficient. We have worked hard to develop our wind resources, and some of them did not reach our expectations. In 2019, we have decided to shift to another new technology, the ocean wings, that are tested now in Northern Europe before crossing the Atlantic and the Pacific next year. These wings are plug-and-play, fully automated, reefable and have been designed to be produced industrially for any kind of ship. They are very efficient and we will bring them to the same level of reliability as our other systems on board. Thanks to the wind propulsion, these wings allow us to produce even more energy during navigations by means of the conversion of our electric engines into hydro generators. We are aiming to produce hydrogen while sailing, a true world first. The potential of these wings for maritime transport is huge, up to 42% cuts of the energetical consumption of commercial vessels. We are very satisfied with our hydrogen production chain on board. In 2018, 100% of the hydrogen used was produced on board. Energy Observer's electrolyzer has produced more than half a ton of pure hydrogen from seawater. The global efficiency of our hydrogen production system is 42%, and the average efficiency of the fuel cell over the last 10,000 nautical miles was of 46%. The majority of the consumption is held by the electrolyzing process, followed by the ventilation, EMS and water production, electrolyzer auxiliaries, and 4% only for compression. We have made significant advances on the reliability of our system, and our new challenge is to simplify it and make it more user-friendly for the maritime community. We still have a reasonable lithium-ion battery pack of 100 kilowatts with good efficiency, although we did not take risks on this technical brick. On board Energy Observer, the batteries weigh 1,760 kilograms for 126 kilowatt-hour. The hydrogen storage and the fuel cell weigh 1,700 kilograms for 1,000 kilowatt-hour. That means that for the same weight, hydrogen provides 8 times more energy than batteries. The global reliability is now very good, and maintenance getting simpler and cheaper than any similar diesel powertrain. We believe that this technology is ready to be duplicated to numerous applications, and we are currently working on several shuttles and service boats projects. Despite the fact that some technologies are mature, it is crucial to have continuous support for research and innovation to develop these new technologies. What we need today is to make coincide political will with favourable legislations and financial investments in order to allow the deployment of a green and economically attractive hydrogen in our maritime world. To get there, it is necessary to adopt norms and regulations that will make maritime hydrogen systems an obvious option for many applications, helping to dramatically reduce our fine particles emissions, especially on the coastline zones. With Energy Observer, we are proud to contribute to the energy transition. We are proud of making the maritime community one of the pioneers for a cleaner world.